If you are completely new to coding, then this is the perfect place to start your Python journey. In this video, we are going to explore what Python is, why so many people use it, how to install it on your computer, and finally, how to write your very first Python program step by step. Let us begin with a simple question. What exactly is Python? Python is a programming language, but not just any language. It is designed to be simple, readable, and very powerful. It is one of the easiest languages to learn, especially for beginners. In fact, Python code often reads like plain English. That is why it is so popular in schools, universities, and beginner coding courses across the world. But just because it is simple does not mean it is weak. Python is used in some of the most powerful technologies on the planet, from websites and mobile apps to automation systems, data science, artificial intelligence, and even robotics. That is why Python is not just for beginners. It is a language you can grow with. Now that you know what Python is, let us move to the next step. Installing Python on your computer. This is going to be very simple, and I will walk you through it slowly. First, open your browser and search for the words Download Python. Click on the official site. It will say python.org. When the page opens, you will see a large button that says Download Python. Click it, and your computer will begin downloading the installer file. Once the download finishes, open the file. Now, before you click Install, make sure you check the box that says Add Python to Path. This is a very important step. It allows you to run Python from any folder on your computer. Let the process complete. After a minute or two, Python will be fully installed. That is it. You now have Python on your system. Next, we need a clean and easy place to write code. That is where VS Code comes in. VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code. It is a free code editor created by Microsoft, and it works great with Python. To download it, open your browser and search Download VS Code. Click the first result. It should say code.visualstudio.com. Choose your operating system, download the installer, and run the setup file. Once installed, open VS Code. It may look a little empty at first. That is perfectly fine. On the left side of the screen, you will see an icon that looks like building blocks. That is the Extensions tab. Then, in the search bar, type Python. Install the extension called Python by Microsoft. This extension gives VS Code the ability to understand Python, highlight your code, and help you run your programs easily. Once installed, you are ready to write your first program. Now, let us do something exciting. Your first real Python program. Inside VS Code, click on Open Folder and select the folder where you want all of your Python programs to be saved. Then, go to File and click New File. Now save the file with a name like hello.py. That .py means it is a Python file. Inside this file, type the word print, then round brackets. Inside those brackets, add quotation marks. Between the quotes, type any message you like. For example, hello world. That is it. You just wrote a full Python program. Now right-click on the screen and choose Run Python File in Terminal. At the bottom, you will see your message appear. You just told your computer what to do, and it listened. That is real programming, and you just did it. Let us quickly review what we have done. You learned what Python is. You installed it on your system. You set up VS Code to write and run your code, and you created your very first program. From here, we will move step by step. We will learn how to work with numbers, text, logic, and more. You will build tools, create projects, and gain real confidence with coding. This is only the beginning of your ZeroBug journey. And by the end, you will not just understand Python. You will be able to use it to create real things. And follow ZeroBug for more videos like this.